Is it possible to create a full YouTube video without recording yourself or using your own voice? Yes, but only if you use smart tools like InVideo, and you still need to add your personal touch. InVideo is an AI platform that helps turn your text into a complete video. It's useful, especially for beginners, but creating value is still your job. To use InVideo, just visit InVideo.io, sign up for a free or paid account, then select AI Text to Video. Write a simple script. Choose a template that fits your content, add your logo, visuals, or personal edits, and finally click Export. Your video will be ready to publish. Now, can these videos be monetized on YouTube? The answer is yes, but with clear conditions. You need to add real value like original scripts, unique editing, or voiceover, and you shouldn't upload unedited templates. Always follow YouTube's monetization guidelines. If your content is unique and useful, your chances of success and revenue will grow over time. Some great channel ideas you can start with: quick educational facts, book or movie summaries, historical stories, motivational content, or beginner tutorials. InVideo is not just a tool, it's a chance to create something powerful. Start today, try it out, and publish your first video. This could be your first step toward real freedom on YouTube.